How to fix TikTok video resolution not supported at this time. So if you are able to get this warning or notification saying that your video resolution is not supported at this time, then this video might help you to know what it actually means and how can you fix that. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of TikTok, from where you'll be able to explore to various TikTok videos like this. So for some reason, if you are able to get a notification, then you need to know that you are not able to watch the video to full resolution or of certain resolution that you have set to. So that may be due to various reasons. So the first thing is you need to check whether or not you are connected to strong Wi-Fi, or if you are using cellular data, then make sure that your network connection is strong. For that, simply swipe down your notification panel and you have to check whether your network connection is strong. Once you are sure that your network connection is strong, you will be able to fix this problem easily. But if your network connection is strong but still unable to fix that, then you just have to refresh your TikTok application. Simply go back and press and hold over the TikTok and go for clear cache directly. And here you have to tap over the clear option of the cache and go for clear. By doing that, TikTok will be refreshed and you'll be able to fix your problem easily. You can also restart your device if you are still unable to fix that. For that, simply press and hold over the power button and there is a restart button. Simply tap over restart and you can restart your device. And by doing that, you'll be able to fix TikTok video resolutions not supported at this time problem. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.